How to block screenshots on WhatsApp profile picture. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So if you want to keep your WhatsApp profile picture private and prevent others from taking screenshots, I'll walk you through everything you need to know. So without further ado, let's get started. So let's start with the method 1, that is to control who can see your profile picture. WhatsApp lets you limit visibility so only certain people or no one can see your profile photo. To do that, simply open the WhatsApp and from here, simply tap on the settings shown in the bottom right corner of the screen. From there, you can simply tap on privacy. And once you are in the privacy section, simply tap on profile photo. Now here, choose who can view your picture. And here, to prevent unwanted viewers from seeing your profile picture, you can simply tap on nobody option. So with that, let's talk about method 2, that is WhatsApp automatic screenshot blocking. So even if someone see your profile picture, WhatsApp now prevents screenshot and screen recording for added privacy. And here is how it works. If someone tries to take a screenshot or screen recording of your profile picture, WhatsApp will block it automatically and show a message saying to protect everyone privacy screenshots are not allowed. And that applies same for screen recording as well. So there is no toggle to turn this feature on or off. WhatsApp has rolled it out globally as an automatic privacy measure. And with all this feature in place, your profile picture is more secure than ever. And with this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.